Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we are going to be installing a brass nut on a bass guitar, similar to this one. But it doesn't have to be a brass nut if you want to install a bone nut or one made out of composite material or something else. You just want to upgrade the nut on your guitar. This is a good video for you to watch, but this is a TRB 174 by Yamaha. And that's the brass nut right there. Here's another one that I installed on this BB234 because this was so easy and total no-brainer to do. So I put it on this guitar too, and I really like them. You know, it really makes the guitar stand out, really gives it a nice custom look. So, without further ado, let's do it. Be sure to get yourself some safety goggles because there might be bits and pieces of plastic flying around when you go through this process and you want to protect your eyes. Here we go.
Do it again! This time with feeling!
Okay, we're getting ready to install our brass nut on this bass guitar. This is it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what we're going to put on here. And you're going to need a couple simple tools like needle nose pliers. Everybody should have one of these. An old toothbrush. I know you got one of these. Some masking tape. And the secret ingredient, super glue gel. You don't want to get the regular super glue. You want the gel because the gel is a little bit more forgiving. It gives you a little bit more time so that we can center this properly before the glue sets. So without further ado, let's go to the close-up and get this done. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we are going to loosen these strings and take them off. Just at the top here. We're not going to completely remove them, we just want to get them out of the way. Next step is we're going to take our masking tape I'm going to put some there and bring this around and keep our strings out of the way. One right here. Okay, so now we're protecting the neck of our guitar fretboard. We're going to take these needle nose pliers, and there's typically a drop of glue the factory will put like right behind here, typically in the center. And what we want to do is, this glue is like a crystal glass, and what we want to do is we just want to loosen the nut a little bit, just cause some vibration, some mechanical movement. So we're just going to pinch it, rock it back and forth a little. Switch on the other side. Pinch it. Might do that. Don't let that worry you. Just going to keep rocking it back and forth. And eventually we will break that glue bond. Go again from the other side. Make sure you're wearing some kind of safety glasses when you do this. I'm wearing mine even though you can't see it. We're just going to rock it back and forth, and there it is, guys. Just comes right out. Okay, now we could take our tape off, clean this off with our brush, and we're ready for the install. We're just going to test fit this a little bit, see how it goes in there. That looks pretty good. It actually looks pretty good right there. Okay, I'm going to put another little piece of tape on here just so that you don't want to get any glue on your fretboard. And all you need is one drop. So once I get it in there, I'm just going to kind of feel it with my fingers and let it set. We're ready for the glue. Sometimes there might be little pieces of plastic left in there, but you could always take this and just push it right out. And as you can see, there's nothing in there now, so it looks pretty good. Alright, here we go. All we want to do is just put a little bit of dab right there, just a little dab. Not more than 1/4 inch long. Cap it up. Make sure we got the base side in there for the heavy E string. And place it in the center of that back and forth till we're comfortable with where it's at. Press down. It hasn't set yet. Let's take this off and see how it looks. There we go. You're just going to push it in just a little bit this way. Yeah, that's real good. We're just going to let it sit there about another minute or two, and we're ready to put our strings back on and tune it up. Our guitar is all strung up, already in tune, and ready to play with a brand new brass nut. Wait, don't tune out yet. You want to check out the next video where I installed these hip shot tuners on this Yamaha bass, and what's unique about this installation is you really need to figure out how to change out these ferrules, because the ones that come with the hip shot are slightly smaller, meaning they have a tighter tolerance. So there's a little trick to getting these out and getting them back in on your guitar. So be sure to watch that one. It's a quick video, but you'll enjoy it, especially if you're thinking about getting new tuners for your guitar. Thank you.